Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these INBIKE cycling gloves, and if you find this video helpful and want to purchase some of these, I'll put a link to them in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I got the XL size. So there's not much on these tags here. Let's look at the construction. So we have a hook and loop fastener there. So I'm an adult male. It's hard to say exactly how big my hands are. This here will go and close like that. So these are made of Lycra. They also have this, it says part terry cloth fiber. So you could use this to wipe your brow. I really wanted that feature in a glove. I like that. Now you obviously need to wash your gloves, at least rinse them out really good if you're going to use that. But this is a kind of a mesh material here. And then on the palm side, it has these pads. So I've had carpal tunnel surgery here and I do have pain sometimes, so hopefully this will help with that. Needless to say, this is not medical advice and you need to talk to your doctor if you think these gloves could potentially help you. So this says it has gel in it. Like I say, that's pretty thick there. These seem to fit pretty good. They're comfortable. Now I haven't ridden with them yet. I just unboxed them. I'm going to ride and then I'll add that onto this video too. It has a little tab here. I think that's supposed to help you take these off. So I don't know that that's helping me that much. I typically would just pull on each of the fingers till it comes out. And I don't know if this will come off differently after I wear them for a while. But that tab doesn't seem to do a whole lot for me, although I don't think you're paying anything extra for it. It also has this tab here. I'm not sure what that is. It's like a logo. And then it had this tab, so you could potentially cut these things off. I probably wouldn't cut that one off, but I don't know if that one gets annoying. I'll take it off. And there's the regular tag. Turn this inside out just a little bit at least. You can see the inside construction. I'm not sure what this material is. I mean, it feels like leather. I think it's a synthetic type material though. This will probably tell us. So that's a polyamide nylon, or is it polyamide? 65%, polyester 7%, polyurethane is 17%, spandex is 6%, polyvinyl chloride is 5%. So it says cold water wash. I think that's what that is. I'll probably wash these in the washing machine, just hang them to dry, or I'll just rinse them out really good with water. I guess I'll throw the other one on real quick. Fits nice too. Okay, so I'm going to test these out and then I'll come back and give my thoughts. So I took these on a bike ride. I have my road bike here, but I was riding a mountain bike when I tested these. And when I was gripping the handlebar, like so, the handlebar kind of fell in this area with no padding, like this. So I didn't really get to experience this padding on the mountain bike handlebar. Now it was definitely more comfortable than wearing no gloves at all, but it wasn't like a severe amount of cushioning there. I did like the terry cloth back here, and they felt nice on my hands. Now if I was to fall off, this padding could help me if I was falling against the ground and using my palms to break my fall. That could help my wrists there. I could also switch positions on the mountain bike and rest my hands right on there, so I didn't have to grip it all the time. I could put my hands like this on the mountain bike bar and that would pad it. So there's no problem doing that. So on a road bike here, if I was holding it like this, it would be the same thing. A lot of the pressure is right there in the gap. Now if I'm riding on the hoods, like so, I'm resting on this padding here. So that is cushioning it. Let me make sure I got that in frame there. So that would be more comfortable. Now I've noticed this with a lot of bike gloves that have the padding in these locations and don't have it right in here. And I think it's so it can move like that. So I am definitely going to keep using these. I do think they were worth it for the price I paid. And it really does help. On my mountain bike, I have kind of a hard rubber grip and it just imprints into your hand when you're holding onto it. This is definitely more comfortable than that. And there is some padding here. You can see there's some here. So it's not that there's no padding whatsoever. It's just you're not getting the thick padding there. This thing, pretty useless to me. I just picked it off by pulling on the finger holes. But otherwise, I liked them. And like I said, I'll continue using them. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.